Rumi and Mira are looking forward to a long-awaited ball.
Hello, Zoe. Hi.
Girls, where are you? The ball has already started.
We're late! Girls, here are your carriages, the golden one and the silver one. But who gets which carriage? I have the invitations in my hand. Whoever picks which one will go in that carriage. You get the gold invitation.
Wow, that's exactly what I wanted.
And you, Mira, here's the silver one. Yay, I love everything silver. Let's jump into the carriages. I'm ready.
Me too.
Yeah!
It's so beautiful here. Whoa, it's a spa. Oh, Crafty Lou, look at my hair. Now I'm definitely going to be late for the ball.
Don't worry, we'll fix everything now. First, let's untangle your hair. Rest your head in the sink. We'll cover your clothes with plastic wrap to keep them dry. Rinse your hair with warm water. Apply shampoo. Distribute it throughout your hair. Make these kinds of massage movements. Nice, right? And rinse the shampoo out thoroughly. Pat your hair dry with a towel and apply conditioner. Comb your hair to evenly spread the conditioner along the length. Make a ponytail on top. Divide it into 2 parts and tuck these strands under the next ponytail. Braid the hair like this to create a Roomie-style braid. And move on to the decorations. I decorate the Roomie hairstyle with a gold chain and these kinds of golden flowers. Apply hairspray on top and sprinkle with glitter. Add a gold flower. Okay, I'm off. Oh wait, Roomie, look what else I prepared. Take the crown template drawn on cardboard. Cover it with clear tape. Insert a gold glue stick into the hot glue gun and apply it to the template. When the glue dries, detach the crown and trim the rough edges. What's going to be here? Oh, this will come in handy. Take the rhinestone chain off the bracelet and decorate the crown. Glue big stones on top. Time to try it on, Roomie.
Wow, it's so beautiful. With this, I'll definitely be the queen of the ball. I wonder how Mira is doing.
Crafty Lou, I need a silver look. We'll do it right away. Pour silver glitter into a container with glue and stir it. Apply it as eyeshadow on eyelids and eyebrows. Now take rhinestones and add them on top of the shadow on the eyelids. Mira, look at this makeup. Wow, my eyes sparkle so much. I look amazing. Great, now we need to do your hair. First, let's brush your hair to avoid tangles. Now make 2 thin braids by the face and use 2 others to make buns on top. Style the rest of the hair with a curling iron.
Wow!
This is how the beautiful curls turned out. Let's take these silver rings and add them throughout the braids. That's trendy right now. And we hang little star charms on the buns. Now you can pick some earrings. Wow, they're all so beautiful. I want these ones. We'll put on these big earrings for you.
Thank you.
Wow, what an amazing look, both the makeup and the hairstyle. But I'm already feeling a bit tired from all this getting ready. I want to rest.
Sure.
Here, take this chocolate bar. This is delicious. For this craft, I will need foil. Cut off a small piece. Fold it so that the inscription stays inside. Make many such blanks. Now put them one into another. There should be 2 such parts. Secure the back and glue a small decorative crown with a stone on the front. Mira, here's your crown. Try it on. Oh, you're all covered in chocolate. Let's wipe that off. Princesses can't go around like that. There, much better. Let's put on the crown. Wow, it's so beautiful. Now I look like a real princess.
Woohoo!
Awesome. You also leave a like if you like Mira's new look. Okay, I'm off. But you should go the other way. Oh, right.
How beautiful I look. And what's that?
Huh?
Well, that's Bobby. What is he doing here?
And here are the materials for the dress. First, I'll cut off the neck of this bottle. Cut it in half. Apply glue on the top part. Then sprinkle gold glitter on top so there are no gaps. This is the skirt base. Now we need tinsel. Wrap the base with it and cut off the excess. Make a pretty top out of gold foil like this and connect it to the top with a large decorative stone. Look at the gorgeous dress I made. Write in the comments, vote for Roomie if you want her to become the prom queen. Roomie, you look so amazing. I want to show you to the fans. Everyone's waiting.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for your likes.
Woohoo!
Wow, so many lovely dresses here. I like this one and this one too. Look, Crafty Lou, so many sequins. Awesome, I want to buy everything.
So good.
You need to choose just one, Mira. Then I'll pick this one. It's amazing. Great, but do you see the price tag? Oh, wow, but I don't have such money. Oh, goodness, they're all so expensive. And I only have this. For that amount, I can only offer a bag of chips. That's all? So what am I supposed to do now? I'm left without a dress. Don't worry, I came up with something. A little magic and poof, a small bag of chips turns into a big one. I cut it open and place it foil side up. Lie down here. We mark Meera's height and then cut it out. Then gather the fabric and secure it with a stapler. This creates a kind of pleating. Take several of these pieces and make a skirt out of them. It looks great. But this t-shirt doesn't work. Take some nano tape and sprinkle it with silver glitter. Shake off the excess glitter and cut out a corset. Let's try it on Meera. Very pretty. The dress is gorgeous, but my shoes, they just don't match. Right, we'll replace your sneakers with these heels.
Nice.
Now you're ready.
Wow.
Thanks, Crafty Lou. I'm thrilled with my new look. Ready to perform? Bravo! You're a real star! But it's time for you to run to the ball. Which way? That way.
Okay, thank you.
Roomie, you're so beautiful. I can't take my eyes off of you.
Thank you, Meera. You also shine in your new look.
Which dress do you like more? Roomie's gold dress or Meera's silver one? Write your answers in the comments. Well, Roomie, it's time to go inside.
Yeah, let's hurry to the ball.
It's not opening.
Crafty Lou, what's the problem?
Entry is only with a partner. What?
But where can we find a partner now?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Uh-huh. Hey guys, wait.
Come here.
Hey!
What's going on? What are we doing here? We'll prepare your looks for the ball. Wow, let's open this one. Okay, look what's inside. Wow, it's a silver suit. I'm gonna try it on.
Look, Genu, what an awesome outfit I've got.
You really have. Let's open your package, Genu. Look what's in here. What is it? You'll find out soon. Come with me. Do I have to go out like this? What an outfit! You look funny. Crafty Lou, I'm not going out looking like this. Don't worry. I'll make a cool costume for you now. Cut out fabric, making a small strip like this. Make slits on the sides and sew them. We got 2 pieces like this. Sew them together. The pants for Genu are ready. Use the handle of a brush to turn them inside out. Wow, can I try them on? Here you go. I like it better this way. Let's put this golden vest on you and sew on the sleeves. It turned into a stylish jacket. We'll decorate it with rhinestones and add golden epaulets. Thanks, Crafty Lou. Whoa, Genu, great outfit. Thanks. So, shall we go to the girls? Yeah, let's go. Wait, we need to put on masks like this. Wow, you guys look awesome.
So, can we come in?
But only with masks on, see?
Oh, right. What do we do?
We don't have masks. Crafty Lou, can you help? Of course. We're taking the cardboard mask base. Glue it onto shiny paper, cut it out, leaving small edges. Make cuts on the edges and stick them inside. That's what the mask base looks like. Now it needs decorating. Disco balls are just perfect. Take the shiny squares off them and stick them onto the mask. Look how it sparkles. Here you go, guys. You can give them to the girls.
Thank you!
Just in time. Roomie, here's your mask.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
I have one too. Now we'll definitely get into the ball. Roomie, shall we?
Let's go, Genu.
Woohoo!
Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Girls, you finally came! You almost missed the treats!
Zoe, you're so funny.
Oopsie.
And now it's time to dance. Meera, wanna dance? It would be an honor.
I've been hiding in the silence for so long. I fought this violence.
Wow, what's this?
What a lively tune.
Yay!
Hey, move aside! Yo, did you see that?
Awesome, bro. Now it's my turn. Yeah! Watch and learn, guys.
Let's go! Dreams too big for a small town sky. Running like the clock can't take my time. Crown on my head.
Showtime! And give it up for Huntrix! Yeah!
Hello, everyone. Huh? Oh, looks like they didn't recognize us. Time to take off the masks.
Huntrix, hooray!
Here are the microphones.
Huntrix, we love you! Woo!
Who do you think became the prom queen? Golden Roomie or Silver Meera? Write in the comments and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye!